Hey all, welcome to the Hot Nuts 67 Camaro edition. Here is my entry for the event. It should go reasonably well, I'm hoping. I need to find more turbo boost. Oh well. So, I prepared a stock 67 Camaro as a gift for running the event. And I gave it some work. Let's go. The latest rendition of a 67 Camaro casting. I thought it's got fats on the back, so yeah, it makes it a bit more difficult. But this is a stock car, so I just thought it'd be interesting to see, well, how it runs. And of course, see what I can get out of it. Not bad. Gave the Camaro 4 runs. It scored a couple of 61s and a couple of 67s, so reserviced it, trying to push it to its absolute limit. Here we go. That's moving for a stock 33 gram car. Hopefully we might get to see it run after the main event sometime. Hot Nuts Diecast Racing on YouTube. Check it out. Cheers all.